Hello, gentlemen. Uh, Welcome, Santi. Welcome back to Sunki Automation YouTube channel again. The same last video, I already show you how to calculate the number of objects in total image. Now, many people ask me how to calculate the number of objects in the one region or many regions in the image. From this video, you can enlarge your project calculation object in a video. Video actually is many frames, many pictures, and it repeats 24 or 30 pictures per second. So what you do is, if you understand how to calculate the number of objects in the different image, in on image or in the region, you can calculate the number of objects in on a video. Okay, let's start. Uh, uh, in front of you is either pictures with 7 cars and another polygon pink colors is the region you want to calculate the object in one region only. So you see on the picture you have 7 cars, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, but in the polygon area there are only 2 cars. So how to calculate? Because uh, you know that when you use your load to detect object, you will have bounding box around the object. What you do is you need to find the center points of bounding box. If the center point of bounding box is located at inside the polygon line, so we can consider that object is inside the region. So I calculate this 2 card in one, yes, in a region. How to do this? I will explain the detail in the Python program later. But now you can see another picture. I have another one picture. There is only one truck, but this truck is located inside, totally inside the polygon line. The center point is the inside. So you see there is one truck inside the polygon line, and total picture there only one trucks. Okay. Next times there are many cars, but one truck inside the area. The car is too far, so the computer doesn't recognize the car very far from here because it is too small. So 2 truck and 1 car. However, the car is not inside the polygon line, but 2 truck inside. You see the red color here, center point of the image. Bus, one bus, but it's inside the polygon line. 2 bus person, 3 bus. Yes. Let me explain that computer vision, like your eyes, when you look anything, any object, like you are trained to understand that is this object. Like you see that is the phone. So when you are trained to understand that is a phone, so next time when you see that, you think, oh, that is a phone. Or you can see this is a camera. It's a IP camera. So you are already trained. You train yourself. You know that is a camera. So what you for a computer, so you need to train the computer understand that is a the camera, the phone, or the object like buses or any other object. So you should have plenty of data set, like many kinds of birds, and you put it in data set and train the computer, and next time computer understand that is the object. So you don't need to tell birds, the computer that is the object, because you already train the computer. And with the AI, it when it is trained some object, and next time it automatic training, automatic learning from the resources that human put it in. uh, what I explain is like Facebook or Google want to know the people habit. They will learn the people habits on the internet. They what you normally search, what you normally read, what you normally watch on the YouTube or on the social media, and they will understand you. It means that like machine learning, it's learning what you want, what you need, and next time it will provide you what you want to buy, and send the advertisement to your personal information like email, telephone. So this is one kind of marketing, they call digital marketing, because they know the people who want to buy something or who want to search something to buy, so they will provide you everything. So next time, the next okay, now I will start explanation about the Python program. Let's see in the programs the same before, but in this program I already put the NumPy, import NumPy. I don't want to explain this one before because I already explained the last video. You can see because here is CV2 YOLO, it's annotators and CV zone to put the text or drawing lines on the doing anything on the pictures, counter glove to read the multi-image, NumPy to declare the polygon line point at NumPy integer 32 bit, object count and object center point, object classes regions. Okay, I will start from the main program. Main program is not very long. From here's main programs. Okay, I have a part of multi-image from here, and I use the library glove to read one by one image and resize image to 1650 and draw polygon line around the pictures and object classes and object image. Okay, I come back to the function. Okay, from here, right, object frames, and here result I will predict X frames, and after result I will have bounding box classes names confidence, and I put it into a list and convert to list like a matrix. Annotator I will set automatic annotators and counter object and set 0, and look in bounding box, look in the object bounding box, and I will read the labels, coordinates like position of the bounding box and object classes. Here is confidence. If you want to know the objects location, you can print like you can print the coordination. You can see x y. It means the bounding box position. Here center point and object append. Center point I use this for draw a center point around this object. Let me open this. This this is very important to check the object inside polygon line or not. I use this function CV2 polygon test. If the point center point inside polygons, it will return 1. Yeah, if the center point of object inside the pink colored polygon line, the result will one will be one. If outside, -1, and if on uh, on a polygon line, it return 0. So I use this, take advantage from this. I will detect object inside the region or not. Okay, if the object in the region, object will calculate this, and object counter +1, and I put it inside the, I put a label inside object classes region. Otherwise, you only put the center point with different color, green color. Yeah, if the object outside it's green color, if inside red color. Okay. After that, I will draw a bounding box around the object. Okay, let's start another thing. The counter, another function that counts object in image and counts object in the regions. You see the small functions on the top. You count object in image, counter object, and look inside the object and put, because when you read the image, you have the object classes. You, what you do is now you need to draw the objects in the image. Yeah, you need to draw objects and the number of object in the image. Here is the regions. Here is on the pictures. So this I already explained in last video. It's actually very simple. I use for loop, and I will check one by one object and print it on the screen. And I increase the position by 50 pixel. I print another object. Let's see if there are many kind of object in the image. Two object in the image. I will separate 50 pixel and move to another cutting object in the region. In the region, you actually I will count the object in a region and check on the object and on the same before counting object in the image. I will print it with yeah 50 pixel different, position. Okay, I think that is on for my video, and let me continue this one. And after that, only show image in the your pictures, and I will clear on the matrix object center point and object classes region clear. I will clear on the matrix, clear the matrix after finish frame reading, and CV2 waits key 0 and destroys on window. So when read on the picture complete, it automatically destroy on window. Okay, um, I already complete demonstration on the calculation number of object in the image and in the region of image. I hope you understand this. Don't worry about this. I will upload on the resources, pictures, as well as the Python program in my YouTube channel, so you can copy and download it and learn it. Thank you very much for your watching. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.